Hello guys, I am Technical and Gaming BD. Today I tell you how can you get Google Camera Go in any Android phone. Like 1 GB or 2 GB of RAM. First I tell you about it. The Camera Go app is optimized for devices with 1 GB of RAM, and it will not support HDR and or night sight. We don't expect night sight to ever land in the Camera Go app, though, as Google likely wants to keep this feature a Pixel exclusive. Features of Google Camera Go APK HDR and with twin publicity controls take pics the use of HDR and to seize incredible photos, in particular in low light or backlit scenes. Night sight, you'll by no means desire to use your flash again. Night sight brings out all the high quality important points and hues that get misplaced in the dark. You can even take pics of the Milky Way. Super Residential Zoom. Super Res Zoom continues your photos sharp when you zoom in without the blur. Top Shot. Pick the best second with Top Shot. Automatically recommends the exceptional pics, the place no one is blinking and the entirety appears simply right. Portrait. Add dependent heritage blur, bokeh, to pictures. Google Photos can additionally make the difficulty of your photograph pop with the aid of leaving them in color, whilst altering the heritage to black and white. Google Lens Suggestions. Point your digicam at QR codes, commercial enterprise cards, paper documents, or overseas textual content and it will assist you to read, scan documents, translate, and more. I will give this app download link when it releases for Android Go phones. Then I port that app. Give you download link. Please subscribe to my channel to get this app. Thanks for watching my video.